Wine is a compatibility layer that allows you to run Windows applications on other operating systems like Chrome OS. Chromebooks don't natively support Windows applications, which is why Wine is needed to run them. Keep in mind that not all Windows applications will work perfectly on Chrome OS through Wine, and performance may vary depending on the app and your Chromebook's hardware. Popular Windows programs that people often want to run on Chromebooks include Adobe Acrobat, Amazon Kindle, Netflix, Spotify, and many others. To enable Linux on your Chromebook, first open the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. In the Settings window, you'll see the Network and other options on the right, with the Navigation menu on the left. At the top of the Settings window, click in the search bar and type Linux to find the Linux option quickly. In the left navigation menu, select Linux Beta to access the Linux settings page. On the Linux settings page, click the Turn On button to begin enabling Linux on your Chromebook. A window will appear showing installation options. Click the Install button to proceed with setting up Linux. The installation process will begin. This may take several minutes as Linux is set up on your Chromebook. Once installation completes, Linux Beta will be enabled on your Chromebook, creating a Linux environment where you can install and run Linux applications, including Wine for running Windows software. To update the Linux environment on your Chromebook, start by opening the terminal and running the update command. This refreshes the package lists from repositories. You'll be prompted for your password to run administrative commands. Enter it when requested. The update command retrieves information about available packages and their versions. After updating the package lists, run the upgrade command to install the latest versions of installed packages. During the upgrade process, you'll see progress indicators showing which packages are being updated. This ensures your Linux environment has the latest security updates and features. To install Wine on your Chromebook's Linux environment, open the terminal and enter the command sudo apt install wine64. This command installs the Wine software, which allows you to run Windows applications on Linux. The installation begins, reading package lists and building the dependency tree. You'll see various packages being installed alongside Wine, including libraries for graphics, audio, and other dependencies. The system will prompt you to confirm the installation. When you see "Do you want to continue?" YN, press Y and enter to proceed. The installation will complete, and Wine will be ready to use for running Windows applications on your Chromebook. To configure the Wine environment, enter the command winecfg in the terminal. This opens the Wine configuration window, where you can adjust settings to optimize Windows application compatibility. The Wine configuration window appears, showing various tabs and settings. The Applications tab allows you to set the Windows version for different applications, currently set to Windows 10 for compatibility. Clicking the Windows version dropdown reveals available options, with Windows 10 highlighted as the selected version for running applications. After reviewing the settings, click the OK button to save your configuration and close the window. To download a Windows application safely, always use trusted websites that protect against malware. In the Chrome browser, locate the application download link and click to start the download process. Once downloaded, the .exe file appears in the Chrome OS Files app, ready to be run with Wine. To run a Windows application with Wine, open your terminal and enter the Wine command, followed by the application file name. When you run the command, Wine may display a configuration prompt as it sets up the application environment. Once configured, the Windows application launches within the Wine environment, displaying its familiar interface. If the application doesn't run properly, open Wine configuration to check application settings and Windows version compatibility. When using Wine on your Chromebook, you might encounter common issues like application crashes or missing dependencies. Error messages can appear during installation or when running applications. For solutions, search online for specific error messages or Wine compatibility issues. You can also try adjusting Wine configurations to improve compatibility. Remember that not all Windows applications will work perfectly with Wine, and performance can be limited on Chromebooks. Despite these limitations, Wine can be a useful tool for running many Windows applications like Notepad++ on your Chromebook.